Hello and welcome. We are back with an impromptu Tiz episode, not related to gaming, but instead to life things. Sorry, I squirrel a lot. He comes with me on every trip. It was a gift to my mother from my mother years ago. So, all right, this is terrible already. Okay, you're gonna have to excuse this, but I've been meaning to make a video all week long to let you guys know that I have a one-way ticket to Greece and not a whole lot of other plans. And I leave on Monday. And I've been meaning to make a YouTube video about it, but in proper Tiz fashion, I didn't. So here we are, last minute. Monday is tomorrow. I fly out. I'm going to leave at 11. My flight, I think, is at 2. So anywho, I figured, for anyone who might be interested, I would show you a little bit of what the minimalist packer lifestyle looks like. For me, the process looks like planning all my outfits and then refining over and over and over again all week long until I have something that works. This is also going to fit in here. Don't know if it's totally dry yet, but I basically have one packing cube of pants and one packing cube of tops. This is, I'll wear this on the plane and these. So this is coming with me. I need to see if I can somehow fit these in here, or, so this is my carry-on, and then this will be my personal item. The tough thing is, ever since I started streaming and trying to figure out vlog things, the amount of stuff I've had to pack has increased, unfortunately. So, these are my toiletry bags. I used to do bar soap for my hair and stuff. I kind of hate it, so went back to normal shampoo. I do Tabs toothpaste, my bag of makeup products. A tip that I have is, these are all like my supplements and medications and stuff I need to take. I bought these little bags from Walmart. They're little like pill pouches, but they make condensing your pills and not bringing just like a ton of bottles super, super handy. And I just label them all with what they are and then throw that in there. None of these are going with me. That I can put away. This, I feel like I just bring bags and bags and bags. So like this bag will go in this bag. And inside this bag, I have more bags. Basically, this has Kindle. That's a necessity. We've got an Xbox controller, because what gamer does not need to make sure they bring an Xbox controller with them? We've got portable lighting. And in here, I'm going to bring, I'm thinking, this is webcam on one side. I think I'm going to put my mouse here. We have mic, which will be in this bag, in that bag. And then in here, I bring a powered USB thing because my laptop doesn't have enough ports. And then a little tiny mini Stream Deck for switching scenes and whatnot. And I am in the process of making sure that my laptop is all set, but I bring this bad boy with me and stream from the go. As a full-time streamer, I keep tweaking what I bring with me. I used to bring my Wave mic, but I've been like upgrading and changing things a lot. This time I'm going to try to bring just this mic, which is these little Hollyland Lark M2s. This is not sponsored, which it should though. And I love these things. I think these are amazing. And then usually I will bring headphones on my neck as I go. The biggest bane of my existence is just what shoes to bring. And that is what I'm currently stuck on. I think I'm going to be wearing these. They might not last me long. I'm thinking about purchasing some barefoot shoes because I always end up having foot pain. And then I also I have a pair of these Olokai sandals that I slip in here because we're going to be doing some beach days. Oh, in addition to, so I have pants, tops. I have this little tiny zip pouch up here, and this has socks, swimsuit, sports bras, and then up here is a little laundry bag full of some undies. And then I bring these guys. They'll probably be shoved into my personal item, which is this. if I can squeeze it in with everything else. And this is my rain jacket and a puffy, because the biggest tip for minimalist traveling is layers, layers, and more layers. So I think I'm mostly packed. I just need to like rearrange and make sure everything fits. All of these items go in the front here. I just need to see what all I can squeeze, but these tend to go right here. Zip that up. Laptop goes, I have a back panel here that the laptop slips into. I just need to update a couple more things. This is my outfit for the plane. Hats, I probably will squeeze in here. And so then I have my one backpack and my personal item. And the nice thing about this bag too is you can convert it so it can either be carried like this. I currently have it so the shoulder strap, since I'll be wearing this on my back, but you can also convert it and put 2 straps onto the back so that it's also a backpack. So depending on the circumstances, I have different bags that I need. So like for a lot of my trip, I will potentially have like a home base where I'll leave this backpack. I have a lot of friends that I'm probably going to be staying with. So I might leave this backpack with some friends, bring a couple outfits in here to do a little like day trip. I have a lot of like potential plans. The cool thing about both, I've been traveling for probably the last 10 years. So you meet a lot of people in different countries. So I have a lot of people that I've like stayed with in the past, but then also through streaming, I've met a lot of streamers and a lot of people that are just from all over the world. So I have potential of going to Norway and Sweden and Finland, chatting with one of my friends in Italy right now. I know a bunch of people in the UK. So really my plan is to go to Greece, spend my birthday there. I have a thing that when I turn 30, I spend every new year at a beach somewhere. So I did Costa Rica, Portugal, Bahamas, and then this year we're gonna go with Greece. And yeah. Can you tell my brain is like all over the place? So anyway, I will update y'all later. Thank you so much. I know a lot of this is going to be really janky. I have made one vlog before in my entire life and I'll link it somewhere. And I would like to get a lot better. I love travel. It's been a passion of mine for a really long time. I've done a lot of trips, but I don't tend to record a whole lot, or even if I do, I don't do anything with the footage. So I figured since I've been doing this streaming stuff, I might as well try to make some videos and put them on YouTube as well. So we'll see how this goes. It'd mean a lot if you would like and subscribe, both for gaming content, vlogs, and I may talk about some books and other things in the future. But I appreciate you guys for all of the support and for, you know, putting up with all the shenanigans. Look, I'm trying to decide on shoes, okay? Yeah. Tripod. Cool. Yeah. All right,